Hello people, welcome to Chai Kahani. This is Himanshu. So, Netflix recently is going big on original series and movies such as Hasmukh, She, Delhi Crime, Bulbul, Choked, etc. But if you can see the pattern, all the Netflix originals, there is some serious flaw with it. Few movies did not even make any sense, like Choked, Bulbul, and a few series straight away were complete disasters, like Betal, etc. And many such instances where a lot could be made out of them, but most of them turned out to be missed opportunities. Same is the case with today's movie, Class of 83. So, Class of 83 is a 2020 Indian Hindi language action crime drama film directed by Atul Sabharwal. The film is based on the book, The Class of 83, and tells the story of a hero policeman shunted to a punishment posting as the Dean of Police Academy. So, Class of 83 is based on the book authorized by leading crime journalist Hussain Zaidi, is set in Bombay in the 1980s, where the underground stronghold on the city was becoming hard to break. Dozens of young men rendered jobless as a result of ongoing mill strike were being lured into joining local gangs, and the collaboration between powerful politicians and criminal gang leaders made it hard for the police to weed out the problem. With this as the backdrop, the film follows an ideological cop turned trainer who molds 5 cadets into encounter specialists. Cut off to the field for doing his job with more integrity than those in power, an upright officer, Vijay Singh, played by Bobby Deol, lands a punishment posting as the Dean of Police Training Center in Nashik, convinced that the only way to restore order in the flawed system is to fix it from the inside. So, for this, he handpicks a clutch of bold young officers and trains them to bend the law in service of the larger good. Seeing the story, I was thrilled to watch it, but felt completely disappointed from the movie. I seriously feel that the movie could offer a lot more than it is. Just hear me out a little bit. Let's say, just imagine Class of 83 was made into a series rather than a movie. The movie backdrop and setting of the story of underworld and punishment posting could have been shown extensively. And next, coming to the training camp, there were not a lot of scenes of the camp, and there could have been many situations faced by the trainees and selecting a batch of 5 by the dean. These scenes could have been shown in a much more interesting manner and extensively. And then coming to how they graduated from the camp and how the encounters have started, and then showing the reason for the dean for such training camp to create a batch of 5 and then making or molding them into encounter specialists could have been shown much more extensively, and it would have been interesting to watch these. Finally, how the differences arises in the group and the big climax in the end. Just imagine if the movie was made into a 5 to 6 episode series showing some interesting sequences and action and crime. Just imagine in this way how interesting Class of 83 could have been. I felt that the length of the movie was too small, and if the movie would have been a series, then there could be a lot more interesting sequences, scenes, action, crime, etc. But the makers completely missed the opportunity. It felt as if they were in a hurry and the movie progressed really fast. In the middle, we could have been lost and we could not even establish connection as why the movie was progressing in that way. I was deeply sorry for the movie because Bobby Deol in that role was exceptional and is completely underutilized in the movie. The movie could have gained a cult following similar to that of Sacred Games. I would say that Class of 83 movie is one of the biggest missed opportunities for the makers. Finally, I can say that the story, actors were really good, but the movie lacks proper screenplay, and molding it into a series would have been a great opportunity, and it would have created a new sensation for the Indian fans similar to Sacred Games. The movie is streaming on Netflix in case you want to watch it. And at the end, thanks for watching guys. If you have liked my explanation, please like and subscribe to Chai Kahani for more of such amazing content. Until then, take care and see you guys in the next video.